Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, how are you? Hopefully you are all very well by the mercy of Almighty Allah, and Alhamdulillah, I'm also very well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And today I do not have any topic to discuss, but so that every day I have to make video in English for improving my speaking level, for improving my English fluent level. That's why I'm just making this video. By the way, uh, at this moment one topic come in my mind. The topic is how we can improve in English more and more, and how we can improve and how we can better more and more in our English speaking and in our English communication, right? So if you think that English is it just comes after 1 or 2 months hard working, it's you are absolutely wrong, right? English is not like that. You go to the medical, you go to the pharmacy and buy 60 tablet one morning and one evening. After 30 days you will get good English communication, good English speaking. So it's not like that, right? It comes with a process. The process you have to maintain every day. That means you have to read English book every day, you have to practice with English every day, you have to make video in English every day. But if you are not want to make video in English every day, so go to the in front of the mirror and just start your speaking. So stop thinking and start speaking. This process is very helpful for us, for all of us. So English is just a language. So don't think about this. It's much more hard. It's much more. It's not easy. It's not like that, brother. So when we are born, that at that moment we don't know Bengali, right? So by listening, by speaking, we learn our mother tongue. So English is like that, 100% is like that. So how much you have to speak more and fluent more, read more and fluent more. So my suggest for all of those people, they want to become fluent in English, and they want to master in English, and they want to be a public speaker in English. So please, every day, just for 20 or 30 minutes, read English or make video in English or listen English podcast, English story. So that's all. If you do those things just 1 year or 6 months, I guarantee you that you will be able to speak more and more better than the other. So that's all for today, and I do not want to make it more longer. Video already reached 4 minutes. So everybody, try to do something good every day and improve yourself just 1% every day. And I have to nothing to say, and take care yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.